We are now going to present to you a TV debate from last week. It is hopefully going to show you what kind of a man Obama is and whom you are to vote for as our next president. Take a look.
President Barack Obama and Governor Mitt Romney.
The last 4 years have been bad for the country. No jobs, no money, nothing accomplished. Obama thinks he has helped the people by giving them Obamacare. But he's wrong. Obamacare steals people's money and kills jobs. We want a new plan, and I'm gonna give you just that. I'm gonna make everything more simple, and we are gonna make unemployed people get jobs. You can't take responsibility of the country. I can.
What are you saying, Mitt Romney? Are you trying to insult me as the President of the American States? All Americans have the choice to work or not to work. Does anyone here want to be poor? No. That's why I'm telling the Americans to take responsibility of their own lives.
And now, let's see Obama's true face.
Unserious. Bad for the country. Drunk often. Weird face. Scary look. Is that really what you want? Do you want this?
President Obama. 4 more years.
Mitt Romney's qualities: serious businessman, speaks for the country, a family caretaker, a humorous guy,
Gangnam Style.
I'm Mitt Romney, and I approve this message.